Pink flavor. Oh, what's that? A new toy. Oh, if you've got $99. Or a backup plan. Just take out some paper. And draw up your own toy. Don't forget to cut the mouth out. A balloon's the perfect thing for our paper doll. Just add to the mouth and tape on a back. Now let's see how big we can make that bubble. Ooh, a lost wallet. Is there anything inside? That answers that. What a cute baby photo. But like most things, glitter can make it even better. Especially when we add some resin. And you've got a new way of showing off baby photos. Look, a free doll! But she kind of needs a new wardrobe. Easy fix. Just take a balloon and make some cuts. Now Barbie has a brand new top. Careful with the hair! We still need pants. Just cut up a long balloon, and we've got a pair of leggings. Another balloon, and we've got a makeshift skirt. Now she's rocking a skirt and shorts combo.
Ooh.
Can you hear me now? Oh no! Why is it always the phones that suffer? Here's an idea. Add some cardboard. And place a sliding puzzle on top. Now slide everything into place. Just look at that face! Aw, let's give this poor kitty a makeover. Careful, you know how cats like water. Probably doesn't help that it's a paper cat either. Luckily, everything goes with glitter. Rock that collar! I guess some cats just need some time alone. Don't worry, don't have a pet? Just make one. Just take a square of paper and fold it up. Keep folding and folding until we've got a kite. Unfold and grab a pair of scissors. Make cuts. It's time to get back to folding. We need 4 points. Add a head, and you've got a new pet. One that always gives you a hug. So why not make one for each finger? Come on, I'm sure we can find something good. Aha! A paper cup! Make that a used paper cup. Still, maybe some googly eyes will perk things up. A nice pair of lips will help us save on lipstick. Now roll up some streams of paper. Add to the cup, and they become tentacles.
Wow.
Here's a trick he learned from some talking caterpillar. You know, banana peels are actually edible. Or are you in the mood for pigeon pie? Well, for the time being, fold up some paper. Grab one of the corners and make a few snips. Now we're gonna need some elastic too. Make another paper cutout and attach with the elastic. Tie it up and add to your face. It's a beak. They'll never suspect a thing. It's always important to watch your step.
Ew.
Luckily, once again, paper comes to the rescue. Wrap around your foot, and it's a custom sneaker. Let's add color. Brown hides the stains. Can't go wrong with highlighters either. Time to check our savings fund. Ooh, blue candies, but also a coin. Plop onto a piece of paper and draw little squiggles around it. With some more squiggles, it's a cute little lamb. Pink wool? Must be where pink clothes come from. Roll into a cylinder and pinch the top. It's a little pouch for all your candy. Close it up. Make some snips until you make ruffles. Now it's a wrapper, in case you want to get into candy making. What a charming necklace. Or maybe bracelet. Well, it's beads now. Here's something we can do. Make some loops and a knot with a paper strip. Keep on folding until it's a small shape. Pinch the edges until you've made a little star.
Wow.
Run a needle and thread through the stars. And make your own jewelry. Hey, don't waste a perfectly good sandwich. Guess there is such a thing as a free lunch. And it's not hard to fix the presentation. After all, the secret ingredient is always love. So, why not add a cute little heart? The best things in life really are free. What is that? And what was it doing in our can? Kinda cute though. Take out a paper strip. Once again, roll it up. This time, add a little face. Mr. Skull won't mind lending us some elastic. Tape the face to the middle of the elastic. Add a few to the little pouch we found. Now we've got a cute little edamame toy. Okay, the cat's people say he wants producing credit. And catnip. Let me know if you find the funny pages. Just remember, only you can prevent paper cuts. Paper-sational stuff. Catch you next time.